The difference between Australia and the US for topicals, things you rub onto your skin, ingestibles, things that you swallow, the main difference between those two countries from our point of view is ease of sales on Amazon. Now, right now on Amazon.com, it is hard to get ungated for topicals. It is hard to get ungated for ingestibles. It's a difficult process because Amazon has got so many people already selling. They're kind of full. So you've got to make a good case to get on there, and you've got to prove beyond a shadow of a doubt that you know what you're doing and you're not going to kill someone. And there is, of course, a formula for doing that, which I do teach in my training program. Here in Australia, yeehaw! It's the wild, wild west, and pretty easy to get yourself ungated for anything, not just for topicals and ingestibles, but for pretty much anything, baby. Also very, very easy to get yourself ungated for, plus many, many other things. So that's the main difference. And one of the big reasons I love selling in Australia so much is because it is the wild, wild west. It's like Amazon.com 4 to 5 years ago when it was the wild, wild west there, and you could do all sorts of crazy shit. It's just exactly the same right now here in Australia. And that's why, for me, my attention is here, because I believe the opportunity is right now here in Australia. So that's what I am doing. So, Oliver, I hope that helps. I've already given you some of the pitfalls about topicals and ingestibles in the previous answer, specifically regarding litigious nature of them, and also getting them passed through the TGA as well. But that gives you a little bit more meat and a little bit more pieces to the puzzle as well. I hope that you go for it. There's a lot of money to be made in those, just as there is in most categories on Amazon right now. So don't let something being difficult get in your way. Use it as fuel for your fire to push through and beat the people who are too lazy to take advantage of these things. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much, much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.